Okay, hello everyone. I am here today to answer some questions and do a little training regarding our 12-week dental administration course. We often are asked many questions regarding the course and what it is, what does it entail, what am I going to learn, and we get these questions often, and so I'm here today to go over and discuss briefly a little bit about the course. So I'm just going to check in and make sure that we're up, that you can hear me, that you can see me, and that we're good to go. So, what do dental administrators do? Dental administrators is another word used in a dental office, and it correlates with an office manager. Depending on the size of the practice that you have, it could be you might be an office manager in one practice, and you might be a practice administrator or a dental administrator in another larger type of an office, usually run by a corporation. Basically, in both of those types of situations, what you're doing is you're managing teams, you're leading teams, you are pretty much accountable for the success of the clinic and how it's performing, how it's producing, how it's collecting. You're paying attention to reviews that you're getting. You are the first point of contact usually that a patient has when dealing in customer service relationships. If you happen to have a patient that is upset, usually you're the person that they talk to. You're the person that's training your team, teaching them, and developing their skills as a dental professional. You support the dentist in many, many ways. You become their right hand. You're the person that they go to when they need things ordered. They need a staff member to improve on their performance. You're the one that places ads in online for new team members. So you are that right hand person for dental offices and for the dentist specifically. And you really, when you get into an office, it's really important that you find an office that you fit really well with inside of, that you and that provider, that dentist or organization, whoever your leader is, that you have a really great working relationship, because you tend to take on that person's philosophies and ways of being, and you learn to anticipate the type of employee they want to hire or the type of practice they want to have, and you are the person that helps facilitate that. Dentists oftentimes are so busy managing patients and the care of patients, which they should, and then your responsibility is basically to manage everything else. So it's a great opportunity for anybody to, it's a great career to get into if you're looking to be a leader and a manager, or if you're just looking to get into a career as somebody who actually works at the front desk of a dental practice. And that could be somebody who's a scheduler, that's scheduling patient appointments, it could be somebody who prepares treatment plans and presents them, it could be somebody who's billing out dental procedures, it could be somebody that's calling insurance claims and finding out why hasn't this been paid, what do we need to do to get it paid. So there's so many opportunities inside of this training that you could have that could allow you to work in multiple positions at what we would call a front desk in a dental office. And really getting in, and oftentimes what happens is somebody may take the course and they start out as a scheduler, and then they move into a treatment coordinator position and then billing, and they kind of work their way up into this role of an administrator where they're leading and developing teams and helping a dentist run a practice. So it's a great opportunity for anybody looking to get into a career, and they love people. You really have to have a love for people when you are working in a dental office, because it's a service-based business. Everything that you do is providing a service to your patients. And so you have to really, really love working with people and serving them and making sure that their needs are paramount and that they're being taken care of. Some of the tasks that a dental administrator has: taking calls, scheduling appointments, minor billing, ordering dental office supplies, medical dental coding. You're going to usually learn a little bit of both. The majority of the coding is with dental. Verifying insurance, training and development of personnel, marketing, branding. We focus a lot. We have a lot of time built into our marketing and branding. We teach you how to use social media for marketing, how to use, how to build your online presence, how to manage your reviews. We devote a lot of time to marketing and branding because they're so significant in building and maintaining a practice. There's a lot that goes into that, and we focus a lot of that in this course, focus a lot on that with this course, along with building patient relationships. So these are a few things that dental administrators do daily. And if you're not actively doing them, you're the person that people come to learn how to do these things and sort out any issues that somebody might have. You know, oh, I can't reach this insurance company, and you'll say, oh, this is how you get a hold of them. So you're becoming an expert basically in all the areas of the dental clinic that people come to, and they rely on you for any issues that they might have. A dental administrator is the key to a smooth running dental office. They can substantially streamline an office's efficiency and ensure that each patient has a successful and pleasant visit. It truly is something when you can come into an office, and not every office has their system streamlined. Not every office has policies and procedures. Not every office has an organizational chart. And these things, building those things, are part of what you will learn in this course. After taking this course, you could go into a dental office and say, oh, it looks like we're missing an organizational chart and roles and responsibilities with the different positions in the office. I know how to build that. I can do that. You can also say, I know how to build out training manuals. I know how to build out policies and procedures. You learn how to do that inside of this course. There's certain key characteristics that make a really successful dental administrator. Definitely have to be friendly and outgoing. You have to be able to build rapport with people, and with the staff, the team. You know, if you're going to lead a team, you have to be somebody that people want to follow. And inside of that, that's also being humble enough to know sometimes you're going to follow other people. Because, you know, there's this thing called servant leadership where oftentimes, you know, you're down on the ground level helping out everybody else, especially when you're working in a busy and successful dental practice. So you want to make sure, you know, you really have and can develop that really friendly, outgoing personality. You definitely need to be somebody who has organizational skills, definitely self-motivated, you're confident, you solve problems, you're a great listener. Listening skills are paramount for this position because you're not only listening to patients and their concerns, the dentist and his concerns, then you've got the staff and their concerns, and you're the person that people are going to come to all the time to say, this is what I'm dealing with, or these are my considerations, and what can you do for me? What do I do about this? So you really, it really does take developing those listening skills and communication skills, which is another aspect of what we teach in this course. After taking this course, you really there's some techniques that we teach that help you become an active listener and how to communicate effectively. So it's really awesome to be able to come and pick up some of, just some tips and some ways that you can improve your communication. Definitely somebody who's focused and professional. When you're working in a dental clinic, it's a very professional environment. When people come to see the dentist, they expect a practice to represent the dentist, and you do that by a professional appearance. Also the way that you carry yourself and the way that you speak. We focus, part of the course and the training that you get here is how am I speaking such that the other person is hearing what I'm saying, and how do I speak in a very professional way? How do I hold my body in a professional way? How do I sit? How do I posture myself? And these are all things that we teach you in this course as well, which are extremely important when you're communicating and when you're working in a dental clinic. Again, these skills are not just things that are going to improve your ability to have a really great career and produce something great for the office that you work in. The things that you learn in this course are also things that will enable you to live a more successful life. A lot of the skills that we teach in our dental administration course in leadership and management are also skills that you can apply in your life in any area. And this is definitely a job for somebody who can multitask. When you're working in a dental office and you're managing it, oftentimes you have multiple particles coming at you at the same time, especially if you're working in a practice that has multiple providers, is established, and is running multiple operatories at a time. And operatories, the dental chairs in each specific room. And oftentimes, if you're running 4 or 5 plus operatory clinic, then you're oftentimes having you have staff asking you questions, you're having the provider, the dentist ask things of you, you're doing your own work, and you're training somebody. So you always have multiple things going on all at one time, and you have to be able to step back and prioritize those things without getting frustrated or stressed. And inside this course, we teach you techniques that help you be able to manage all those things and manage them very well. This is a 12-week course. We have different course options. You can take it, you can either take the course online, which we allow up to 6 months to complete. When you take the online course, you have access to live streaming through Facebook to actually join in the classes as we're teaching them. We have online videos. All the coursework is online. You don't have to come in to the class to take this specific course, but you are required within it to do internship hours in a dental clinic. We direct that internship either here in our clinic, or we help set that up at an office that's near where you live. And we have specific things that we go through with you and that office to ensure that you're getting the training that you need, the hands-on training inside that internship. You can also take the course live here at our facility. It's 12 weeks as well. You only have those 12 weeks to complete the course. We do them the courses are currently offered on Wednesdays from, I believe, 8 to 4. So it's a full day training. It's a lot of hands-on training, a lot of practical application. The course is taught by myself and other executives and administrators that work within our own dental office. You have years and years and years and years and years of experience built into this course that will empower you and enable you to go into any dental office and get a very get a great job and enter into a really wonderful career that can last the rest of your life. Dental administrators, office managers, even just working at the front desk in a dental clinic, having training under your belt, you can really, your wage could vary anywhere from $14 to $20 an hour. That wage really depends on how you present yourself, how well you develop your skills within the course, and how well you take on your learning, that you can walk confidently into a dental office and say, I know how to do that. We teach you a lot of those skills here. Confidence, definitely, in your ability, how to sell yourself in an interview, how to build a successful resume. Those are part of what we teach in the course as well. So again, it's a 12-week course. You have the option to take the course online, and you can take up to 6 months to complete that course. That would be for somebody who lives far away, somebody who has a really busy schedule, busy life. I think a lot about single moms who end up taking these courses that we offer, and oftentimes, you're working already, and then you've got kids you're raising, and just having it all work out, finding daycare for them while working, it's just something. It really takes something, and we thought, you know what, why not put together an online course that somebody could take and have it fit their schedule and their life, and allow them enough time to complete it and complete it successfully. So we do allow up to 6 months with our online course. We definitely recommend completing the course as soon as you could. Within the 12-week framework is the optimal time to get the course completed and then get a job actively engaged and working and making some really great money. So you do have that, and anyone who comes and takes it in the classroom, they have a little bit more leisure with their schedule, and they really like that personal, hands-on, ask the instructor questions right then and there learning environment. So we offer both for the different, all different types of people that, they have different needs and wants, and we've put together this program to fit almost anybody's needs. We're always open to any questions that you might have or further exploring either of those options. So our course objectives, to demonstrate academic and clinical proficiency in dental administration skills at the entry level. So we're committed that by the end of this 12-week course, you can walk into a dental office and have basic understanding and working knowledge of the dental office and the functions and the systems and the procedures and how things work. Every office is a little bit different, but that's okay. All you really need to know are the fundamentals. And if you know the fundamentals, you take those fundamentals and apply them to any dental office. Some dental offices just do things. I mean, I've worked in many dental offices. I've been working in the dental industry for, over 20 years now. And I've never worked in any office that was exactly the same. However, the terminology is the same. The way that we, tend to do things are the same. So we give you that basic entry-level knowledge that you can then go and get a job and really start to hone in and develop your skills in any particular area. You'll also learn to demonstrate dental office management software knowledge. In our course, we teach Dentrix, which is one of the major dental management software systems. And so by the end of the course, you'll have a really extensive working knowledge of Dentrix that you could open it and work easily and efficiently inside of it. You'll also develop skills in time management, customer service, human relations, and teamwork. So these are really great skills to develop that we teach and that you'll leave that 12-week course knowing. Other course objectives: demonstrate oral and written communication and applied psychology in the dental office, apply theory of patient management, teach necessary skills for an entry-level dental receptionist or administrator. And these are just some of our core values. Establish personal relationships with patients. Take personal ownership of your pride and work. We teach a lot about being accountable, having everything you do it with integrity, and taking personal responsibility for your job and the things that you're assigned to do within that job. Looking for positive outcomes, attract new patients, add value to yourself and those around you, build self-confidence and become a part of a team. Honestly, working in the dental field, you develop relationships with patients, you develop relationships with the people that you work with, and those can last a lifetime. The coursework, so some of your coursework is you're going to learn dental terminology, dental office hygiene, dental insurance coding and reimbursement, business math, medical privacy and ethics, computer applications, popular career options. Popular career options are just the different things that you can do, job titles inside of completing our course. Different job opportunities in this field: dental receptionist, office administrators in small dental practices, customer service representatives in dental or insurance companies, clerical staff in public health dental departments, dental insurance coder, dental claims specialist, appointment coordinator. There's just a whole variety of job descriptions out there that once you've taken this course, you could easily apply for and have that job based off of this short 12-week course. There's a great quote from Steve Jobs: "Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work." In a dental office, it's so fulfilling sometimes when you see a patient that comes in and you've completely transformed their smile, and who they were prior to the dental work they received and who they are after is completely transformed just by the work that you did in their mouth. So many times people's self-confidence is enlivened and just amplified simply by altering their smile. So it's really a great career to get into. This is a really great course. I teach in the course often. All of the materials are my thoughts, my trainings, my experience over the past 20 years, going from being a dental assistant to being a CEO and business owner of multiple dental practices, as well as this school. So it's a great opportunity to get in at the ground level and get your feet wet, get yourself trained, and get into a career that's rewarding, that's satisfying, that's enjoyable, that is a great work environment, and that you can actually really make a living doing. The dental field is in dire need of dental administrators and of dental assistants, and so it's a very high in demand job right now, and anybody who gets theirself in a course and starts working in the field is almost guaranteed a job when you graduate, as long as you do the work, as long as you take the instruction, and this is what you want to do. There's no reason why you couldn't get a job. It's a great course. So the tuition for this course is $29.99. We actually offer really affordable payment plan options that makes it easy to get into. We allow up to 12 months to actually pay for the course. If you're doing it, 6 to 12 months is different payment plans that we offer. The tuition includes everything, so there's never any additional fees for anything that we teach inside the course. The course includes the coursework, the textbooks and workbooks, if we have those for the course that you're taking. It also includes a tablet, so every course, each student gets a tablet. This last course we had Samsung Galaxy tablets. They may vary depending on which options we have at the time, but that is included with your course so that you can easily access your coursework online and do it anywhere that you have access to Wi-Fi. No more lugging around big, heavy textbooks. It's all online. It's really great. It's really easy. You can do it anywhere there's the internet. And the tablet's yours to keep at the end of the course. We also help. We're really passionate about people, and we want to make sure that everybody that takes the course is set up for a successful interview. You have a powerful resume. Being in the field ourselves, we're very skilled at new ways of generating resumes and setting up interviews, and we do a lot inside of preparing you for that. We also help with job placement as well. So at the Core Foundation, we're committed to creating a new realm of possibility for you and your daily life. We believe that learning how to live an empowered life, in addition to gaining a comprehensive skill-based education, will help you to better be a successful, positive, and valuable member of society. So our ultimate commitment is to you, your life, and going out into the world and spreading your joy, getting some skill, a skill set that you can take out into the job market and actually get a job, a career that you can do for the rest of your life while making a really great living. and also contributing to society. So it's a really phenomenal course to take, and we're all about empowering you and your life and what you can do with it. So if you have any questions about our course, please comment. You can comment in this thread. We check the thread, and we'll answer any questions that you have. If you're interested in learning more about the course, you can send us a message on Facebook. We respond almost immediately, or you can give us a call. We'll go through and after the video, post some contact information and a link where you can even read more information about our course. We are currently taking registrations for our upcoming course that starts in just a couple of weeks. We'll put all the details again in the up in the content area of the live video. We're also offering a special discount. So if you click on the link that we post and go to it, the special discount that we're offering will be inside of that. So again, thank you for joining, thank you for listening, and we hope to hear from you and hope that you consider getting a job in the dental field and helping to decrease the stress dentists are currently dealing with inside of not having very many trained dental administrators to choose from. So again, it's a very high in-demand career, and this is a great opportunity for anybody to take this course and start a new career today. So thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hearing from you.